to talk about pair of linear equations in two variables. You know what is linear equation? Any equation of degree 1 is called linear. Here we are going to talk about two equations which will come together. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is a general form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Here x and y are the two variables. a1, b1 and c1 are the coefficients. Same way a2, b2, c2 are the coefficients. And the degree of this variable is 1. Since the degree is 1, we call it as linear equation. So this is a general form of pair of linear equations in two variables. And these equations will occur in pair only. So what are the characteristics of these equations? If you draw a graph for these equations, it may occur in three types. The first one is called intersecting lines. First one is called intersecting lines. They intersect each other at only one point, so the number of solutions will be only one. We call it as unique solutions. And in the second type, they lie one over the other. They are touching each other at all the points, so they are called coincident lines. So how many solutions will be there for this equation? Infinitely many solutions. There will be infinite number of solutions because the two lines touch each other at all the points. And the third one is called parallel lines. They do not touch each other. They are parallel. So there will not be any solution for this. So no solutions. For the first two types, the given lines have unique solution and infinite solutions. Whenever they have the solution, we call them as consistent. So intersecting lines, unique solution, and they are consistent. For the second one, coincident lines, infinite number of solutions, they are consistent. Here it is parallel, there is no solution, so it is inconsistent. All these can be found out by drawing the graph. But without drawing the graph, how can we find out whether it is intersecting lines or coincident lines or parallel lines? That can be found out using this condition a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. If it is so, then it is intersecting. Suppose a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then we call it as coincident lines. And finally, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it insists parallel lines. So this is how, these are the three important conditions by which we can find out whether the given pair of lines are intersecting or coincidence or parallel lines.